back to my channel today. Yes, if you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and think about subscribing at the link below. For my sweets that's been rocking with me from the beginning, I appreciate you guys so much. For the people who just joined within this week, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you stick around for a little while. And now let's get into this drip. Ow. So today we have Jodi. Okay, I have her in 2 colors. So this is another Bobbi Boss unit. Yes, honey, this one is Jodi. So I have her in the color number 1. That's that one for that. And then I also have her in a blue. So it's MLF601 Jodi. And then this one is INVBLUE. It's black and blue mixed in. Blue mixed in. You can't really tell right now until I take it out of the box. But she's gorgeous, you guys. And if you're interested in the unit that I already have on my head, this is a headband wig. I will leave the link in the description box to this review if you want to check this one out. I just washed her last night and put some conditioning on her and put some little curl juice on her. She's so pretty. I am loving this. This is a good investment type wig. So very pretty. And then the earrings I have on today, if you're interested in these, I will leave these linked below as well. They are on my Etsy site, so I will leave all the information in the description box. All right, let's get to it. All right, so this is Miss Jodi right out of the box. Look at that body. I want to come a little bit closer. Do you see the way that they got the blue mixed in with the black? That's so pretty. Yes, very pretty. And then here is our stock card. All right, let's get into this. Mix that in. Now, inside of the cap, there are 3 combs at top. So one over here, and then one in the middle. Then there's also a comb in the back. There's also adjustable straps. And then this one also has the band. They attached the band to this one. So really pretty. No insert cap that you got to remove. Just want to make sure. So I was like, wait a minute. It didn't have that yet. No insert cap that you need to remove. The cap is breathable. Let's see the stretch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Big head friendly. Very big head friendly. She's very soft. She's not yucky. It's more like a silky texture. Yeah, not yucky at all. It's more on the silky side, but still very pretty. And then it looks like it does have some baby hairs up there, which y'all know me, I don't like doing them baby hairs, but we're gonna work it out and see what it is. But I just want to see, you have a lot of parting space area up there that you can choose from. Middle part, left part, right part, whatever you kind of want to do. All right, so I wanted to show you the black right out of the pack as well. So this is the natural black. This is the number 1. Just want to show you, it's the same cap construction and everything as the previous. I just want to show you what it looks like straight out of the pack. So there it is. All right, so let's pop these puppies on. All right, you guys, now that I have plopped her on my head, haven't cut that lace off yet. I need to figure out what I want to do with her and how I want to style her. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to show you a clip of what I did with the number 1. It's hard to tell which is the number 1 and which is the blue. You really can't tell the difference. Even with the lighting, you really can't tell the difference unless you get very close. So with the blue, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do, if I want a right side part, a left side part. And then right here, I'm showing you where the ear tabs come. I like the ear tabs on Morgan. They kind of stopped right at the ear. With this unit, you might have to manipulate it just a little bit, but still pretty good. The hair is very soft. You have a ton of parting space up there. And right now, I'm looking to see if I want to do like a right side part. As you can see, I was getting a little bit of tangling, but not too much. That's okay. I'm just running my fingers through it. Look at that parting space. I mean, even without putting any powder up there or doing any manipulating, it looks really good. So now I'm going to show you the left side to see if I wanted to do something with that. Looks very pretty over there. And then when I happened to run my finger and that fell in my face, I was like, oh, I can kind of do some bangs and kind of do an updo. I was like, that kind of gave me an idea. I was like, okay. Still not quite sure how I want to style her, but you'll see later in the video. So for right now, I'm going to turn around. The density on this unit is very great. She's very full, but not too full to where it looks kind of off. But as you can see that when I shake my head, you can see that blue. All right, let's get into this video. Hey, y'all. Hey, welcome back. Yes. Do you see all of this drip that's on my head? Girl. Yes, y'all. So today I have two colors for you, okay? Bobbi Boss. They are coming out with some stuff, y'all, okay? This is just like, this is good wear to work hair. Or you can kind of sex it up, dress it up for you to wear on the weekend. So today we have Jodi. And this is the blue that I have on. You really cannot tell that it's the blue unless I kind of get really close. Really close. This is the blue that I have on. It is the MLF601 Jodi. INVBLUE. Okay. And I also have it in a natural color #1. Now you're going to see kind of going back and forth so I can show you what they look like so the video is not so long. But honey, there is so much real estate in this wig. So for my big head sisters, this is a wig for you. I had to make that band all the way tight, and then the adjustable straps, I had to put it on like the tightest one that I can put it on. And I still got room up here. I mean, the wig is on tight, but it's just like, good Jesus, how big do they think your head is? It's like this one is very roomy. So I'm glad that they put that adjustable band in there because it does help. She does come in a lot of colors, and as I said before, the texture of this is like a silky, very silky. You see that? It's very soft. My only con with these ones, now, if you haven't seen my previous review, I did one on Morgan. She is beautiful, Morgan, and she is beautiful as well. I put a little side card over here, and I had her in blue. Now, that was like a true baby blue with some silver gray up in there. Out of my comfort zone, but she was sexy, y'all. Yes, my husband said, oh, you a sexy granny. I was like, I ain't no damn granny. Then I said, oh, wait, yeah. I got glam babies. I got 4 of them. I said, I ain't no granny. I'm a glamma, okay? But that one was sexy too. I'll leave a little card up here or somewhere, or I'll link it in the description box for you guys to go check that review out because she's fire too. But these wigs, I love the asymmetrical cut. It kind of comes down the back. I'm going to brush it all to the front. It has that little bump at the end there. And then, like I said, you can do whatever you want. You can do a left side part, right side part, middle part, you know, whatever you want to do. There's enough real estate up there for you to do that, which I love. Let's get into all these specs. Now, of course, we all know that she's a synthetic unit. She is a 13x7 deep lace parting area, free parting, pre-plucked, realistic density. Yes, she is. And like I said, secure elastic waistband, baby hairs, flex fit cap, and she can be heat resistant, but it doesn't tell me how much. For some reason it says high heat, but when you get to how much, it says no. So I don't know, y'all. The hair texture says silky, pattern is straight. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, she's very beautiful. I got this off of Diva Trust, which you will see on my little scroll over here. Very pretty. They have some very pretty colors. Even the one that's on the model is very pretty. But you will see that black, then you'll see that blue. It's very pretty. I think you would be very intrigued with this wig. But y'all let me know what y'all thinking about these wigs. Let me know what you think about this color. Let me know what you think about the number 1. Let me know if you would go and pick her up. Yes, honey. And I don't remember if I mentioned, if you do not watch my channel or you're new here, I do not glue my wigs down. If I'm not going anywhere, then I don't glue them down. So I will show you. See, my wig is not glued down. So this is all glueless, honey, not glued down. Just want to let you know that, just in case you were wondering. Yes, honey, she is fire. And again, I always let y'all know, if you're interested in the earrings that I am wearing, this is on my Etsy site. So all the links would be down below, as I said in the beginning of the video. If you want these sexy little earrings right here, just go to my Etsy shop and you will be able to get you a pair. They are limited, so if you want them, you better get them. All right, you guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed both of these beautiful drips that I have brought you. If you do not follow me on my Instagram, my handle will be down here. Sometimes if I don't come on here and do a review, I will post on my Instagram. I post a lot of stuff on my Instagram, so you may want to go there and follow me and check it out. And I follow everybody that follows me, so if you follow me, I'll follow you back. And until next time, my sweets, I'll see you again. Bye.